Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to change Wi-Fi network on ARLO Pro 4. So first things first, we need to click this button on the bottom of our camera till you hear the click. Now take off the battery. Oh, it's kinda hard. Now here is where the battery goes. So if you don't have battery inserted, then just insert it right here. Now leave it. And in the dashboard, click on the gear in the top right corner of your camera. Click Wi-Fi network and change network. Now, till we go next, select the network that you want to connect with. So I don't want 5G because the 5G internet will never work, because the camera doesn't have 5G. Now continue. Type in the password to your Wi-Fi. Click continue. And now click and hold this button till you see the amber light blinking. It's around 15 seconds. Okay. Now click continue. And when the amber lights go off, the blue light will start to blink, and then try to scan this QR code. So we need to wait for a blue light. It once again to take a couple of seconds. I think it's ready. Yes. So now scan the QR code till you hear a chime. I can't do it. So give me a moment. Okay, so now I have it connected. Click continue. And now it is looking for our ARLO camera. This may take several minutes even. In my experience, every time I tried to change the network, it takes about 5 minutes. So I'll just come back to you when it's done. And now your ARLO camera is active. Click finish. And now we can put it back into the case. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.